welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. We are going to be doing a plan with me in collaboration with a bunch of other planner babes, and I will link their channels down below. So at the end of this video, make sure to check their channels out. But we are going to be doing a plan with me for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. So you don't want to miss it. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me again today. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to use this beautiful happy planner today. Oh gosh, I'm dropping stuff. You know what I found interesting is that when I plan in my happy planner, I always like to pull my pages out, but for whatever reason, well, you can't pull your pages out in the Erin Condren planner, but it never disturbs me not to do that. I don't know. It's funny. All right, so I'm going to use 5144 in the Brights sticker book today. And I'm going for just a colorful theme. I'm going to try to find one page that like speaks to me back here. That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute. That one's not where it should be. That's kind of cute. That's actually kind of the theme of the planner, so we could do that one. I don't think I want the sugar and spice theme. Let's go for that. Let's go for that bad boy right there. A lot of these fell out of that book, and so now we're, having to kind of make up for lost time in it. Let's do this. I can't even believe June is halfway over. And I feel like it just turned June. I'm still living in June. June is still very much active, but it's halfway over. I don't even know. I'm like, whoa, where'd the month go? Shine bright. And I've been singing all day, random songs. So if I break out in song today, during today's video, don't be surprised. It's very logical. It's just what Megan does. I feel like I want to, I love these stickers over here. I love them because I love the big box stickers. But I have really been enjoying a more functional style planning lately. And so I am considering revamping my planning style a little bit. In still a decorative way, because let's face it, I don't think I can get away from the decorativeness of it. But I have been enjoying the kind of more function of it a little bit. Keep dreaming. I love that sticker. All right, so now that I've kind of picked my theme out of the 5144, I'm going to fill in with some bright. And let's see here. I really like those stickers. I haven't seen any, I'll have to see the last sticker book that they had, but that kind of like, the corner stickers that kind of go in the corners, those are the best stickers. Love those. Make today count. That's so true. Live more. I love this one too. How rare and beautiful you. Oh, now I gotta move that sticker though. So I know a lot of people like to layer stickers in their planner. And I like the look of layers. Don't get me wrong. I love the look of layers. But I also feel when you layer things, that um, when you layer things, that you kind of like when they layer by day, it always just confuses me a little bit on how like I don't have tasks that generally take place in multiple days. So it always is a little bit hard for me to use that type of planning because I don't plan like that. So, you know, just a thought. I love lists per day. I love lists. And that's a lot of times why I use lined um why I like this lined planner because I'm such a lister that I feel like that is you know, ugh, wicked. Part of what I attract to as far as planners are concerned. I've always been a lister. I would just use notebook paper. I would just get those like spiral bound notebook papers and do lists before. Now it's so much more pretty with planners. So much prettier. Okay. Right. Okay. Now look at that. How cute is that so far? Except that one's kind of crooked, but you know, whatevs. Who cares? Who made these rules anyways? So now what I want to do is just use some of these like colorful, I think I want the scallop ones. Colorful stickers to go across the bottom. And grab my scissors, which I know are right here. I'm going to put these elsewhere because can't waste the scallops. Can't even do that. And then, oh gosh. Look at how fun that is. And it's just like the simplest touches that create so much fun and festivity among that. I just feel like that's so cute. Put that little bit up there. And then I'm just going to put this little bit over here. So as you're deciding how you kind of want to do your spread, if you're a pre-planner and you want to kind of see how things lay out, I highly recommend sticky notes because you can just lay like your sticky notes down on days that you know you're going to be super busy or whatever and kind of pre-plan it out so it doesn't interfere with your decoration, but you know, you can still decorate easily enough and you know, cute. Those are just fun. I just feel like there's no like you just have to have them always in any situation. All right, now what I need is a few colorful boxes, which I know are in here somewhere because the 5144 book has everything. And not organization on my part because they've all fallen out. They have, ooh, a habit tracker. Probably need one of those bad boys too. Okay. And then Okay, I might put that there in a little bit, but I do need my colorful boxes. Where are you, colorful boxes? I do feel like out of all the stickers Happy Planner has ever made, the colorful boxes take the cake on the most important stickers ever. Because there's just no getting over the function of them, but yet making things look so much more fun at the same time. And I feel like that's exactly what colorful boxes do. They just add flair and style to any spread. Probably should put that up a little bit more, but oh well. This little sticker too. All right, look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that butte right there? I feel like it's so pretty. So, get those 5144 stickers back in check. I don't know that there's, kind of feel like I like this one too, but maybe I'll just put it down here. All right, and just like that, guys, our spread for the week of the 17th through the 23rd is done. There's a lot of colors, there's a lot of fun, there's a lot of rainbow. At the same time, there's still plenty of room to put checklists and write what you need to write down without infringing on the beauty of the planner. And yes, there's some crooked stickers as well, because let's face it, it's Megan, and that's just the way that things go down with Megan. So we are ready to go, prepared for this week. And again, don't forget to check out all the wonderful planner babes below who are going to be showing you their takes on a plan with me for this week as well. You will want to go check them all out. They're wonderful. And of course, if you want to see more Plan With Me's by Megan, you can click the link on the screen. There will be lots to delight you there. Lots of different things to look at. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the link on the screen for more Plan With Me's. All right, everyone. I'll see you next time.